and UK. Still the big focus in economics today, leading world powers in the shadow play, trying to take down the USA. Deals with pirates throughout history made, sanction theft, the raids that never fade. Countries watched while the profits were laid, secrets kept, alliances betrayed. Pirates of power sailing through time, stealing the future, committing the crime. Tables have turned but the story remains, in the chase for the throne they play their games. Rhode Island Pirates tried, convicted fate, sentenced to death, their secrets were great. Power in shadows forever suppressed, truth locked away, never addressed. Empires built on the backs of the thief,
History's whispers that we can't believe.
the pirate alliance
Eventually burned.
lessons forgotten.
Will we ever learn?
Pirates of power sailing through time, stealing the future, committing the crime. Tables have turned but the story remains, in the chase for the throne they play their games. The seas are restless, the tides will shift.
Truth breaks chains, the veil will lift.
From secret deals to open skies,
The pirate's song will never die.
pirates of power, shadows they cast.
History's echoes, a haunting past.
But in the silence a new dawn sings,
Freedom and truth.
the hope it